Hey there everyone, this is my 93 Toyota T100. I've had it for about 2 months now. Got it off a guy. Sat in his yard for 7 years. When I got it, I had to put different rims and tires on it. Uh, the engine was blown up. I had an engine rebuilt, put in it. Nothing special done. Just all cleaned up, shaved the heads. I think it was between 10 and 15,000 just to even them up. But as you can tell, it's still in pretty decent shape. Frame was in good shape. Interior's really nice. Get a picture of the engine here. A good old 3.0. Plenty of room in a T100 compared to the regular pickups. Cold air intake off eBay. I had the exhaust reworked on this too. I got rid of that stupid crossover pipe in the back. I took it to the exhaust shop and see if I can't show you here in a minute. I had them run me a true Y because I wasn't forking out $600 for headers. And if you can see a little bit right there, made a turn down instead of that crossover pipe. Actually worked out really good on both sides. Try to get you a better view here underneath. This is the driver's side. It's 2¼ inch pipe. Run back into a Y right here. Then it comes out into 2½. Runs the whole way back into the muffler and out the back. You can see here how we ran the Y pipe underneath the transmission, under the dry shaft. He did a real nice job. The O2 sensor, I just kind of put it right over here. So yeah, I mean, it turned out real nice. Sounds good. Ran up over the rear axle. Right out the side here. Start it up and give you a sound clip. Don't sound too bad. Show you the interior here real quick. Door panel was really nice. Carpet was really nice. The seat was in great shape. Let's put that on there to help protect it. Dash is in good shape. It's just getting ready to roll over 200,000 now. I had 163 on it when I got it. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.